Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wasahbihi ajma'in. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okey, so hari ini kita akan mulakan kelas kita dengan umul kitab Al-Fatihah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okey, baiklah kelas. So kita akan sambung kita punya uh, uh, teaching and learning kita last week. Okay, we end the topic number pattern. Okay, so today we will continue with estimate quantities and rounding off. So two subtopic here. Okay, first thing is I want to focus on estimation. Okay, look at the diagram at the back. Okay, there are three water tank. Okay, which are A, B, and C. Okay, the water in look. Okay, the water in tank A is full, and the volume is about 1,000 milliliter, and how about the volume in water tank B? Okay, if we can see here, all right, the volume of water in tank B is almost half. Okay, it's almost half the water in tank A. Okay, so to prove it, first we draw the dotted line. Okay, so if we can see here, from here and here, there is half out of the volume of tank A. Okay, so that for this tank B, if we can see the dotted line here, it shows that the volume of tank B is half. So if the volume in tank A is 100 milliliter, means that the half means separuh, half, 1/2. So we can say that the volume in tank B is about 500 milliliter. Okay, now look at the water tank C at the back. Okay, the green one. Okay, so we continue. Right. Okay, first we draw the dotted line. If you can see here, the volume of tank C is about half of the volume of tank B. So we can say that this level of water in tank C is half of the water in tank B. It means that the volume is about 250 milliliter. How? Because 1/2 out of 500 milliliter. Okay, so it will be 250 milliliter. Okay, right, next. Okay, if we add on the water in tank C, we can see that the volume of tank C now is about same with the volume of tank B, which is 500 milliliter. And okay, because we look at the dotted line there, it's equal, okay, sama. Okay, now if we add on another volume of water in tank C, uh, the volume now in tank C is more than tank B, but less than tank A. Okay, as we mentioned before, this part, you see the green one, okay, you see the green one is 250. So here also 250 ml. Why? Because the green part is half of tank B. So half. Okay, half here. So this one is equal from here and here is the volume is equal. So if here is 250, so that here also another 250 ml. And another add-on here equal to 250 also. This one also 250 ml. Okay. So to make sure that the water in tank C is equal to tank A, or to make it tank C is 1000 milliliter, so we have to add another 250 ml. Okay, all right. So I hope you understand what I try to explain to you. So in doing estimation, we not focus to exact volume ataupun exact quantity, but we just estimate to the nearest volume, the nearest quantity with the item or uh, tank that we compact together. Okay, all right. Now look at this part. Okay, now we go to this picture. Okay, we have chocolate here. Okay, we have 3 bottle. Okay, we can label S. Okay, now, right, we can label these 3 bottle maybe as A. Okay, this one as A, B, and C. Okay, the bottle C is full with the chocolate. Okay, how about bottle B? Now we try to draw the dotted line. Okay, okay, I will use the red one, or maybe I use the black one. Okay, now I will draw the dotted line. Okay, and this one here, I will draw the dotted line. Okay, so we can estimate if, okay, if we look at bottle C, okay, if we look at the bottle C, we can say the estimation of that quantity in bottle B is maybe about half, or maybe more than half. Okay, if we draw clearly here, this is half. Okay, here is the half of the bottle. And for B, we have extra from Okay, this one is half. Okay, so we have extra here. Okay, I will draw this one. Okay, and half. Okay, so now if the numbers of chocolate in bottle C is about 35,000. So what is the estimation we can do for bottle B? Maybe we can say here is about 300. Okay, 35,000 here, and we got another extra here. Maybe we can say this bottle B is about 45,000. Okay, right? Okay, how about the chocolate in bottle A? In bottle A, we can see the quantity is not half. It's not half from bottle B. It's not half. Because if we do the dotted line here, okay, if we do the dotted line, we draw the dotted line here, half of, okay, half of bottle B is there. So now we can see that the chocolate in bottle C is about 1/4 of the chocolate in bottle C. So how we want to get the estimation here? Okay, let's say here is 45,000 yang B. So untuk yang A, we can say that 1/4 out of 45,000. Okay, now we can make it, we can simplify this for 1, also 1, this one also 1, and what the balance will be 1 and paired to 0 will be 10. So this one will be 4 times 2 will be 8, and the balance or remainder will be 2. 2 compare with 2 pairing with 0 will be 20, and this one will be 5, and this one 10. So we can say that the number of chocolate in bottle A is about 11,250. Okay, this one is the estimation. Okay, right? Okay, from estimation we can know how to do rounding off, because from there we try to estimate, because rounding off and estimation not the exact value or numbers, but we do some estimation there. Okay, if we use this information, for example, this one, the number of chocolate in bottle C is about 35,000, and the number of bottle B is about 45,000, and the number of chocolate in bottle A is about 11,250. Okay, that one will be the estimation. Okay, now we will do for the next explanation about rounding off. Okay. Okay, after this you will do, okay, for this topic, your homework will be from textbook, okay, from textbook on page 15, and it is under try this. Okay, you can photostat that picture and paste into your exercise book. Okay. Okay, we're done for estimation. Okay, so to easy for you to do estimation, I repeat, you just draw the dotted line, maybe this dotted line. Okay, then you do the comparison. Okay, maybe you can use half. Okay, 1/4. Maybe we can say 3/4. Okay, so try to find any example and you try to do it. Okay, now I want to move to another topic. Okay, the topic is about rounding off. Okay, rounding off. Rounding off ni pembundaran. Okay, membundarkan. Membundarkan apa? We want to rounding off the numbers. Okay, I give you an example. Alright, I give you an example. The the rubber production. Rubber production of two state in 2018 are as follow. As follows. Okay, so we draw the table there. Okay. Okay. So we have the state. Okay, this one the state, and that one is the about the rubber production. Okay. So this one state. Okay, this one is rubber produce. Produce but in kg. Okay. Okay. First state is Selangor. And the second state is Melaka. Okay, the rubber produced in Selangor is about 241,494 and Melaka 264,405. Okay, please remember that when you want to write the numbers, you just write three in threes. Three, and the next will be three, and the next will be three, and make it space in between that three numbers. Okay, make it space. You cannot write comma. This is wrong. Okay, so we cannot do like that. Just separate the three numbers or three digit with space. Okay, all right. So how we want to rounding off this number? Let's say we want to rounding off, okay, first round off, okay, 241, okay, 241,494 to the nearest, okay, maybe we can 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So how we want to do it? Okay, my style, I did with my student before. I just write down the number again, 241,494, and the next step is I underline the digit that the question asks for. For example, in this question, asked to round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000. So look at the digit on the 10,000 place. Okay, here. After I underline that digit, I circle that with the number, with the digit behind, one digit behind. Okay, So how about the 3 digits at the back? So this one I replace with 0. 0, 0, 0. After you done it, you do the, okay, rounding curve. Okay, so first thing is we look at the digit underline. The digits is 4. So for this rounding curve, we just write, if the digit we underline is 4, so we start here is with 40. And the next 10 will be 50. In the middle will be 45. Now we do comparison. Okay, we do the comparison between what? Between this circle number with this middle number. Okay, now if we can see here, this circle number is before or after the middle number. Okay, right. This circle number 41 is before 45. So if this circle number placed before this middle number, so we will take this 40 to replace for the 41. Okay, and how about the digit 2 in front? We just rewrite. So the answer will be 240,000. Okay, next. Okay, next, number 2. If the question asks you to round off, okay, round off 264,405 to the nearest what? Nearest 100,000. Okay. So the first step, I just rewrite the number 264,405. Okay. The second step will be I underline the digit on 100,000 place. Okay. 100,000 place will be digit 2. After that, I will circle that underlined digit with the 1 digit at the back. Okay. So what happened to these 4 digit at the back? So we just replace with 0. Okay. Now we start to draw the rounding curve. Yeah. Okay, as I mentioned before, if the digit underline is 2, we will start to write here as 20 because we use in tens. Okay. After 20, the next 10 will be 30. The number in the middle will be 25. Now we start to do a comparison. Comparison between this circle number with the middle number. Look, this 26 is before 25 or after 25. Okay, that's correct. 26 is after 25. So if this circle number is around this, means that after 25, so we will take, okay, we will take this 30 to replace the number 26. So it will be 30. So the number after rounded off will be 300,000. Okay, we try to another number. Okay, if I give you this number, okay, round off 300 centimeter to the nearest 10,000. Okay, just right here, 10,000 centimeter. 10,000 centimeter, right? Okay, first step, we just rewrite the number 218,300. Okay, then what we will do? Next, we will underline the digit on 10,000 place. Okay, 10,000. So here, digit 1 will be at 10,000 place. Okay, next step, we circle the underlying digit with one digit at the back. This one, circle. So what happened to the three digits at the back? This one, we will replace with 0, 0, 0, and 0. After we done it, we draw the rounding curve. Okay, always remember rounding curve, the number will start with, the number will be written in tens. Okay, will be written in tens. Okay, now we look at the digit, the underlying digit. That one is number 1. So if the underlying digit is 1, so in the rounding curve, we start with, okay, we start with 10. The next will be 20. So what is the number in the middle will be 15. Now we do the comparison between the middle number and the circle number. Okay, the circle number is 18. 18 is before or after 15. Okay, you also correct. 18 placed after 15. So if the number circled here is more than 15 or 15 and more, so we will take this number 20 to replace with 18. And how about the 2 in front? So that one we just rewrite. So 218,300 after we rounding off will be 220,000. Okay, so that's all for today about estimation and rounding off. So you will do an exercise. Okay, I will give you homework here. Okay, the homework on page 18. Homework page 18. Okay, and then try this. Okay, I want you to answer question 1 to question 3. Okay, question 1 to question 3. Okay, class, we will see you in the next lesson, inshallah, in the next Friday. Okay, sorry to, uh, I just leave you with the video because I have some meeting and courses to finish until 23rd of February. So inshallah, we will see you on the next Friday. Okay, so I will end our lesson today. So inshallah, segala yang baik itu datang dari Allah, yang kurang dari diri saya sendiri. Kita jumpa lagi pada minggu hadapan. Okey. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi